Okay, so I made a video not too long ago about the AirPods 3 in 2023. If I think they are worth buying. Spoiler alert, the answer is yes. I honestly think they are worth buying. Now, I'm going to go into more detail why I think that, though, in this video. Okay, the biggest reason, because these AirPod 3s are currently my favorite AirPods, okay? I will explain. First of all, by default, well, mine by default came with it, but I suppose if you didn't, you can buy them online. This is a magnetic case, which means that it will charge via MagSafe, which is interesting because that's the same thing my iPhone 14 Pro charges via MagSafe. So it's cool that this does. And the second reason is more like a personal preference, okay? So these, as you can see, the ends here are different instead of the tips that provide like a seal in your ear for noise cancellation. Okay, this is the wrong ear, but anyway, nonetheless, noise cancellation, yeah, this does an okay job, okay? This doesn't have real active noise cancellation because it doesn't have that tip at the end that seals the noise. So it doesn't have active noise cancellation. It doesn't have a new feature from some of the latest earbuds, such as the things where you can actually, it will automatically go quieter based on people talking and stuff, so you can hear real life more and find a balance. It doesn't have that. So really, I have to tell Siri to turn them down or up quite often. So those would be the cons, I suppose. But with that said, I feel like these are a more comfortable fit in your ear. Now, if you actually do end up getting these, or getting the other ones, you will eventually adapt to either one. You'll get used to. Your ears will get used to, most likely. I'm putting them into charge. AirPods are so convenient to charge in this way. But yeah, what will happen is your ears will get used to them. But the thing is that I think these are very good because, like I said, it doesn't have that tip that just goes into your ear and closes off whatever. I think these are the best entry AirPods, okay? I could change my mind in the future, but as of right now, I think these are the best entry AirPods. They're the AirPods 3 or AirPods 3rd gen, whatever you want to call them. I honestly do think they are the best entry AirPods. Like I said, other AirPods, fine, you could argue that they do better noise cancellation. You could argue that they make it so you don't gotta turn the volume down or up as much, whatnot. But I think these are truly good entry AirPods. Okay, if your children or your wife or your husband or whoever says that they want some AirPods and need a first pair of AirPods to recommend, I personally recommend the AirPods 3 or 3rd gen. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick it up on Amazon if you so wish. So yeah, this is my recommendation for now. Now, could it change in a few days or whatever? Maybe, but for now, this is my recommendation. But with that said, I do want to remind everyone that these do not have like the full-on noise cancellation that you would expect from most things these days because of the seal it has. But it does have spatial audio. They do have spatial audio, so let me point that out right now. But yeah, I'm going to end it off here, okay? Let me know what you guys think. I just wanted to make this quick video because I know that as of making this video, the holidays are coming up, honestly. So AirPod 3 might be the way to go. So yeah, let me know if you agree, disagree, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.